Okay guys, let me just unbox the item that I received from Shopee. This is a rear lights for bicycle, and I have two. One for me and one for my wife. This is a Q3 Samurai Smart Bike taillight. Ultra bright, light sensing, brake sensing. So this is the one, when you brake it will turn to brighter one. Long battery life, USB charging, CNC alloy, optical, lampshade, double support, IPX6 waterproof, and also quick mount. So let's see. I still haven't charged this one, so let's just try. So typically most of the USB type just press. Okay, so change the movement. If you're moving steady, it's blinking. Okay, let's see how it works. Oh, you see, when you stop, oh, it will turn brighter. Imagine if you are moving. So if you are moving steady, there's a sensor. Okay, so that's the first press. Second press, it's a steady one. Third one, blinking. So you see, it turns. So from here, brake. So it's nice. It's nice. So up, one, okay, good. And now for this, I will put this one here because I have more space here. I don't have saddle bag here, so it's better to put here. Okay, so this is So now it's tighter now. Once I cut this one, I don't have the way to tighten. So as you can see, there's some angle here. Here is thin, here is thick. So you have to put the thick one on the lower part. Okay, that's all. So now I can use this light for this bike, and if I will use the other bike, I can just take out from here and put on the other bike, because this is my bicycle for work, so I will put it here. As you can see, okay, it's moving. Okay, I will put from behind, so move, brake. It's nice. This is good when you're riding on the road, because the drivers, they are very alert with this kind of lights. If the red turns brighter, they know that you're hitting the brake. They know that you are stopping, not like you have steady red blinking lights. Sometimes too late for them to react. It's nice. Perfect for riding on the road. Thank you.